this floor is what I'm gonna grind today. So we'll be using my shop vac, right here my Festool dust extractor, and just a 5-inch DeWalt. There's the model number if anyone wants that. 5-inch angle grinder. So the idea here is I'm just going over the floor to remove high spots and ridges. I'll show you. This kind of thing right here, you could chisel that off, but my 5-inch grinder will knock it right off there. So the elevations are critical here. I'm grinding this just to get a nice flat foundation to start with, and then from there I'll get the topography of the floor mapped out. All right, because we're going for flat, and if possible we're going for level. On top of that, we want that perfect transition from cement tile to polished concrete. So you guys stay tuned to the end to see the result after we're finished. I think you'll be pretty impressed with how well this combination with this grinder and the Festool dust extractor does. All that was pretty straightforward. The floor's ground, the perimeter. I gotta map the floor and go over it, but I wanna show you guys this detail here in the doorway. In the doorway, so here's the polished concrete that's staying, but this edge is pretty chipped up. So I'm gonna put a new edge. I'm gonna take about 3/8 off. Alright, so the new edge, you can see it's flaked a little bit here, a little there. But compared to the old edge, it looks much better. So now our tile will butt up against that and we'll have a very clean transition. So next day, so I put this board down here to protect that edge. You guys saw me put that new edge on the concrete there. So it's crisp, it's vulnerable. Put a piece of plywood next to it with duct tape and ram board just to protect it. But this floor now is ready for some self-leveler. Just got to build it up a little bit, flatten it out. We want a flush transition right there. So that's that. Keep this video short. Hopefully you saw something helpful. And leave a comment below. Subscribe if you're not. Appreciate you tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.